I plan to construct a home that would be more environment friendly, where it is where it is so suitable for our tropical nature of weather, everything. So currently people construct all the concrete homes where it is not so much very suitable for the tropical regions. It is environmentally not so good, as well on the health aspect also. It is it gives lots of unhealthy what to say, unhealthy things to human habitat. So I see that the thatched roof, either thatched roof or the mud houses or any simple structures that are so eco-friendly and also cost effective. So I got some insight into that kind of buildings in Auroville, Pondicherry. So there they construct homes out of bamboos or out of mud or out of the compressed bricks also. They are not fire treated bricks. They are just the clay bricks compressed in a highly compressed. So raw clay compressed very in a and sun dried, I guess. So those bricks are used for more sustainable eco-friendly homes.